BMW X3. New engines and more tech highlight the changes. BMW headquarters may be in Munich, but the German company is eager to note its manufacturing success in the United States. For more than 2 decades, the company's Spartanburg, South Carolina plant has built BMW products, including the Z3, the first-generation Z4, and variants of the E36 3 Series. Today, the 5 million square foot facility is tasked with assembling mid-size X5 and X6, and compact X3 and X4 crossover SUVs, which includes the all-new 2018 BMW X3. Like its Spartanburg-built predecessor, the third-generation X3 will be available with either a 4 or 6-cylinder engine. All-wheel drive, or X-Drive in BMW parlance, is now standard, while a diesel engine option is no longer on the table. 4-cylinder 2018 X3's christened X-Drive 30i come equipped with a turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4, while 6-cylinder models bear the M40i nomenclature and sport a turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-6. Despite mirroring the displacement of the outgoing X3's gas-sipping engines, the 2018 X3's 2 engines are entirely new to this model line, though they are shared with other BMW products such as the 3 Series and the 5 Series. The engines are both more powerful and torquier than their predecessors, with X-Drive 30i models making 248 horsepower and 258 pounds-ft of torque, a gain of 8 horsepower over the old inline-4, but 2 fewer lb-ft. More impressive is the M40i's output, 355 horsepower and 369 pounds-ft of torque, increases of 55 ponies and 69 pounds-ft. Both engines pair with an 8-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters. The M40i adds a launch control function. Complementing the new powertrains is fresh styling that gives the compact crossover a more expressive look. Thanks to a wheelbase that stretches 2.2 inches longer than before, the new X3 features a more striking profile with a long hood, a tapering roofline, and a beltline that rises aft of the C-pillar, recalling that of the original 2004 X3. Overall length is up more than 2 inches as well. Up front, the new crossover is marked by sizable air intakes mounted low in the fascia, headlights pushed to the edges of the front fenders, and BMW's trademark kidney grille, which now incorporates shutters that help reduce aerodynamic drag. Out back, big taillights hug the new X3's Chapelier fenders and emphasize the model's width. 8 inches of ground clearance and an almost Jeep Grand Cherokee matching fording depth of 19.6 inches mean BMW hasn't completely abandoned the X3's ability to perform off-road. While the standard X3 X-Drive 30i wears 18-inch wheels and tires and features aluminum and silver exterior accents, an available luxury package adds revised front and rear bumper covers with two-tone finishes and additional chrome trim. Opting for the M Sport package brings an aggressive-looking body kit similar to that on the M40i, as well as standard 19-inch wheels. The top-of-the-line M40i takes things one step further with flared fenders. Inside, the X3's cabin features a center stack angled toward the driver and the brand's now ubiquitous electronic gear selector. Standard equipment on the 2018 X3 includes sport seats with power-adjustable bolsters, 3-zone automatic climate control, a 40/20/40 split folding and reclining rear bench seat, and a forward collision warning system. Despite the vehicle's longer wheelbase, passenger room is about the same as before, but cargo volume increases by 1 cubic foot with all seats in place. The X3 M40i lives up to its M Performance badging with an all-wheel drive system that distributes a greater proportion of torque to the rear wheel than in lesser X3s, bigger brakes with 4-piston front calipers, a dual-mode exhaust system, and a trim-specific suspension that includes revised springs, dampers, and anti-roll bars. Adaptive dampers are an available option on both models and offer Eco Pro, Comfort, Sport, and Adaptive driving modes. M40i models equipped with this feature also add a harder-edged Sport Plus setting. Other optional extras include a panoramic sunroof, standard on the M40i, a head-up display that's 75% larger than in the old X3, and a 10.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system with navigation that runs BMW's latest iDrive software and is Apple CarPlay compatible. Buyers also can add BMW Gesture Control, which allows users to interact with the infotainment system without having to touch the screen or iDrive controller. Additionally, the X3 can be equipped with active safety features such as adaptive cruise control, a blind spot monitor, lane departure warning, and lane keeping assist as part of the optional driving assistance package. The 2018 BMW X3 goes on sale in November. While pricing won't be announced until closer to the on-sale date, we'd wager that the 2018 X3's new engines, additional technology, and standard all-wheel drive system will result in a compact BMW crossover SUV that wears a starting price that's thousands more than the $41,045 fee asked for today's least expensive rear-wheel drive X3.